Love always hurts for Prentice.
I wanted that girl. Why does she have to marry him?
Amidst a web of lies,
You have all you need. You just need to put it together.
the search for truth,
Something's up with my family. We keep dying and taking our secrets to the grave.
the Crow Road.
Why do we always love the wrong people?
Monday, 9:30, BBC2.
A look now on BBC2 at what we can expect from the weather in the foreseeable future with John Kettley.
Hello and a very good evening to you. Let's take a look around other parts of the world to see exactly what's going on at the moment. Well, on the Asian satellite picture you can see this typhoon here swirling around. That's in the Pacific Ocean now, just to the south of Japan. It's taken a swipe at Honshu and Kyushu in the past couple of days, but it will continue moving away into the Pacific Ocean in the next 24 hours. That's the low pressure centre then. You can see it drifting away, and high pressure then building in across China. So we'll see a return to these very cold northerly winds out of Siberia as far as northeastern parts of Asia are concerned. Low pressure to the south of Hong Kong means we're going to see some quite windy weather here with showers from time to time close to the south coast of China. Well, across the Pacific Ocean into North America, there was a heavy snowfall on Monday night around the Great Lakes. And the temperature in Chicago on Tuesday never got above -3, very cold indeed. New York about 6, 19 degrees around the Gulf of Mexico at New Orleans. It looks like the cold weather's in for the week. Pretty chilly weather with this blue area here across northern and some central parts of America. It's been very hot over in California, mind you, over the past few days. Over in Los Angeles on Saturday, the temperature reached 34. That's into the 90s Fahrenheit. It does look as though it is cooling down quite a bit as we go through this week, though. Now, we saw a plume of warm air across central parts of Europe during Tuesday. The temperature in Vienna got to 19 degrees, I think. That warmer air moving a little bit further east then in the next 24 hours, and then turning cooler again for many parts of Europe as we go through this coming week. And not only cooler, pretty wet weather as well. You can see this plume of thick cloud coming out of Spain, coming up through France and Switzerland into Germany. That's an area of low pressure, and that'll continue moving up into the Baltic through the rest of tonight and through tomorrow as well. Reasonable weather down the eastern end of the Med, very unreasonable weather down the western end and through Iberia generally, down towards Madeira and through the Canaries. Quite windy, quite showery weather there, that continuing for much of this coming week. Well, fairly quiet conditions as far as we're concerned tonight. Clearing skies across the central and some western parts of Britain means a touch of frost and maybe some ice on the roads too. Do take care. Temperatures will be below freezing in many areas. Still too much wind and cloud around these eastern fringes and still some showery bursts of rain to come. The next system though coming out from the northwest, that'll bring some more extensive rain into northern parts of Britain during the second half of Wednesday. For the rest of tonight then, some thicker cloud may give some drizzle around the western Hebrides there into northwestern parts of Ireland, the odd shower down the North Sea coast, and still some patchy rain across East Anglia and through southern England into the Channel Islands. A big improvement for the south though for Wednesday morning, already brightening up here. A lot of sunshine around in these central areas, but it will be a cold start. Watch out for the ice. Up in the north and west of Scotland, a few patches of cloud and the odd light shower. Then dry for a while before the more extensive rain moves in during the afternoon. In the southeast and East Anglia and the southeast of England, there will be some cloud floating around and the odd shower as well, but many places staying dry. And temperature very much the same as it was on Tuesday, but it's bound to feel warmer in the south as the wind gets a little bit lighter. And that's it from me tonight.
As a doctor, people often ask me, are all operations strictly necessary? Well, the short answer is yes. And yes, we always